Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, November 1, 2020. Today's video is about Khalili collection of Japanese art. This large silk-embroidered wall hanging is part of the Khalili collection of Japanese art. The embroidery is worked in long and short silk stitch, with a composite imaginary view of Japan, including flowers, shrines, bridges, lakes and forests, with Mount Fuji rising in the distance. The private collection of decorative art, dating from Meiji-era Japan, 18,681,912, was assembled by the British-Iranian scholar Nasser D. Khalili. It includes metalwork, enamels, ceramics, and lacquered objects, including works by artists of the imperial court that were exhibited at the great exhibitions of the late 19th century. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.